Well, what's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. And if you made it this far, this is day 10. I always want to give you all a special congrats. So congrats, everybody. You made it to day 10. That's a big thing. That's a big thing. You keep pushing play, and that's fantastic. So let's get on with it. And because she knows a lot more than I do, I'm going to hand you right over to Coach Robin.
Hey guys, so here we are. It is Wednesday and we've run and walked for the last 2 days, so we have earned our rest day. So again, you can rest if you want to. I'm going to do an upper body workout, so it's really important that we rest our legs. So I'm not going to do a full body workout today. I'm going to do an upper body workout. Probably 20 minutes or something like that. And again, I'll go back to YouTube because it's really easy to find almost anything you want. So let's go check it out. All right, here's my friends at Achieve Peak. I do them a lot because they use the same bands that I have. So I don't know if you have bands with handles or without, or you don't have any bands at all. There's tons on here for body weight ones too, I'm sure. So let's just see what's here. So these are the guys from Achieve Peak that I do. I think I might have done her. Yeah, I did. I did her the other day. Hers was pretty good. That's Body Fit by Amy. She did a pretty good upper body workout. I haven't done this guy. I don't know, Danielle PT Fitness. You can check it out. It's kind of a long one, so I don't know if you want to do 38 minutes or not. This is the mini bands. I don't have the mini bands, but if you have the mini bands, those are the bands that they're kind of like a loop, but they don't have handles. So, and here's Body Fit by Amy. Again, she was pretty good. So just, you can pick one, you can do something on your own. You don't have to do anything, but I'm going to do, let's see. I am going to just check this guy out and see what Danielle PT is all about. All right, guys, have a good one. He wasn't bad. Daniel PT. So you can give him a shot if you want. I feel really good, my upper body, my back. So he worked me out pretty good. So anyway, I hope you found something good to do and enjoy the rest of your rest day. And I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's workout is the same as yesterday's, but we're still going to get out there and do it together. All right, guys, have a great day.
All right. So it was a rest day. But maybe you did some workout, but you rested the legs. It's a good thing. And we will see you on day 11 tomorrow. See you later, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.